Hello everyone, it's me once again. To all my subscribers, my friends, my families, and to all my silent viewers, it's me again. As you can see, I have already the Rhode Island red chicken. And I'm kind of confused. Do I have to expand or I have to make another project? Because as I try to observe these native black pigs from the Philippines, they multiply a lot. So it's hard for me to decide if I have to expand more, and in addition I have to have a native chicken farm or a native pig farm. Look at this video, you can see, but I'm a little bit hesitant to decide right away because the size of the native pig is look like it's very small. I have a cousin that owns some black native pigs, and I'm kind of smiling because of the size of the pig. Check it out. What's at the end of this video? There are some few clips there. Okay?
Ơi. Mẹ lắm.
With their size right now, they're in production mode. They give us a lot of eggs already, and the person that managed this Rhode Island red chicken is very happy of all the eggs that he can gather every day. So we are enjoying all the eggs that we harvest all the time. So, but I'm still thinking about the red or the native pig, but let's see down the road. Here it is. This is what we call a black native pigs. They're so small, but they multiply easily. trying to think because probably soon I'm gonna have a short vacation and I need to decide. Can you guys make a suggestion for me? Do I have to proceed with a small native pig farm? Your suggestion will be very helpful for me. Anyway, guys, I have to shout out to Benji Liganden, which owned the native pig farm. Thank you very much for the clips, and I'll check it out. I have to wait for some suggestion on my friend. You guys really like to watch, and maybe you like to eat also the crunchy lechon. And anyway, that's all my video for today. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Wait for my next posting again. Goodbye.